Hi loves, what is up? If you are new to my channel, it's your girl AshecaLee here, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet another video. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys everything that I used for, the hair, to get the hair. It looked fresher 2 days ago. I'm a little late, but it's okay. You guys are gonna see how I got, what once was these very nice voluminous crimps. I'm not really a crimp girl, so this is a little new for me. So I think I really do like crimps, and yeah, I think everything came out very nice. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got the hair, how I got the makeup, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Also, give this video a thumbs up, turn your notification bells on so that you can get an alert every time I post a video and you won't miss anything. And yeah, I think that's it. So yes, now, if you guys are interested in seeing how I completed everything, then definitely keep on watching. Guys, so right now I am just styling the unit. I don't know why my camera isn't focusing. Okay, so right now I'm just styling my unit. I've had this unit for a few months, but the closure that was on it, it just wasn't doing it for me, and I replaced the closure on it, and the hair was actually blonde, and I colored it jet black, and the ring light is shining on it. I know it looks blue, it's not. But yeah, I haven't combed it out either. I just colored it, put shampoo, conditioner, and just let it air dry. And this is what we are working with. All right, guys, so I'm gonna try and record while I'm holding the phone in my hand. We're gonna see how this goes. So please excuse it if it's a little shaky. I apologize, but we just don't have to make it work. So the wax stick that I used is actually something that I have been working on. I haven't released anything yet. I haven't made any announcements. So, and you guys can see I'm like done. The wax stick is completely done. So I really love this, and yeah, hopefully in the near future we can get some more so that we can start selling. Do y'all see how nice and flat this wax stick is doing it, honey? Yes. Oof. Look at that. Look at that. And it gives it just like a nice shine at the top. Okay, so now that that is pretty much done, I'm going to go in and style the rest of the hair. I'll try my best to show you guys how I crimp it, and yes. Okay, so right now I am going in with the bedhead crimpers. I will insert a picture of them on the screen for you guys so that, just in case you guys want to pick this up. I use this one and also the turquoise one. It just depends on the look that I'm going for. But, and I also have the iron on the second setting. There's a dial up at the top of the iron, which makes it either higher or lower. So I have it on the second one. So crimping is pretty easy. You just want to make sure that you go right in the dips and not go over the ones that you've already crimped. So you're really just going straight down the hair, and it's pretty easy. You want to make sure that you are spraying some product on it, whether it is heat protectant or styling spritz, anything that will help hold the actual wave of the hair, and this should be the outcome. I loved it. It was very voluminous, and it just looks really nice, especially when it's all done and everything is just put together. Just comes together very nicely. And right now I am just finishing up the top of the wig. And what I like to do, if the hair has a bit wave to it, because this is body wave hair, I'll take the iron and I'll just run the iron over it just to straighten it a little bit, and then go back in with the crimpers to make sure that there are no previous waves already in the hair. And this is pretty much how it turned out. It looks really nice, very sleek, and I don't know, I really think I might just have fallen in love with crimps. Alright, loves, so I believe this was the next day when I decided to put the wig on because I finished up my hair pretty late. So I just cut off the excess lace on the sides and then went in with some Got To Be Free spray just to add a bit more security. I did want this to look a little bit more melted, so this was the closest thing to glue without actually using glue. So then after that, after letting it dry, I just went in with the razor comb and I just cut off the excess lace and pretty much just did my install, and that was about it. Y'all, yes, I'm coming to y'all today with the bonnet on, okay, because I don't know what it's looking like under there, so we're just gonna have to be surprised towards the end. All right, so I'm not really sure what I want to do with my face. I have somewhere to go today, so, and I'm wearing all black, so I feel like I might just do like a wing liner and just call it a day. But I'll still be showing you guys like what products I used and stuff like that. I think I've perfected my face routine, so I'm excited to show you guys that. You guys have seen me use these products before. It's nothing new, but I don't know, I don't know, I feel like I perfected it, so I want to share it with you guys. Okay, so my face is already moisturized, and to go in with my illuminator, you guys know I used to be obsessed with the MAC Stroke Cream, but I feel like this is my new baby. This is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, and this is the illuminating one. Good amount of this on my face. Normally I just put it on my face. I don't know why I decided to put it on my hands. And I like to use a lot of this just because it really makes my skin glow and I actually see a difference. So with this, it's an illuminator and a primer. So you guys know how I used to like layer a lot of primers on and do all that extra stuff. I feel like with this, it just saves me an extra step. And do you guys see the difference? Like, do you see how my face is just glowing and it just looks so good? So while all of that is setting in on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and jump to my brows. I have been loving the Kiss brow pencil. This is their Fine Precision brow pencil, and I don't know what color this is because I don't think it says it, but it's very dark and it matches my eyebrows perfectly. And I let my eyebrows grow out for a while, so I feel like they look so good right now. I feel like right here it's still a little bit thin, but it'll grow. I just love when I do my makeup and my eyebrows are already done. Like, it just makes it so much easier. And guys, this whole routine takes me about 20 minutes. So I really love that because it seems like every time I do my makeup, I'm always on like a time crunch. So I had to find a way to make my face look like I've spent literally like 40-50 minutes on it, and this is the way. So for my face, I'm gonna go in with the NARS foundation. This is in the shade Tahoe, and this is the Natural Radiant Longwear. And we're gonna do 4 pumps of this. And I'm gonna blend it out with a foundation brush. You guys, it seems like the world is gonna be back to normal very soon. Looking at the statistics and all the reports coming in about COVID, it looks like we might have a chance this summer, and I am so excited. because I just feel like I can't believe it's been a year. Like, can't believe it's been 1 whole year since COVID came out, and I'm just happy that, you know, it's better news and it's less deaths. It's just kind of like a breath of fresh air going into 2020. I was telling myself 2020 summer is gonna be lit. I'm gonna be out. And I kind of was, but it just wasn't the same, you know, like the whole world was on lockdown. It wasn't much for you to do if you did travel. Everything was just like all over the place. Everywhere had restrictions. It was just curfews. The whole mask, like it just wasn't, it wasn't giving, okay? It just wasn't giving a lit summer. It was giving more so make the best of what you got. And that's exactly what I did. So can't complain, still had a great summer, but you know, I'm just ready for things to get back to normal. So for concealer, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. You guys know this is my baby, and I do not do my makeup without this concealer. I absolutely love this, okay? And when you love something, you just stick to what you know. So I'm gonna go in with this. This is in the shade Warm Sand. Okay, and over top of that, I'm going to take my Tarte concealer in the shade Medium Tan Sand. And this is an oldie, but it's a goodie, and it's just impeccable. The coverage, the creaminess of it, it just sits so well, and it mixes very well with other concealers. And yes, I'm using this one because it's a little bit brighter, and I don't want my concealer to look like foundation. So now I'm gonna go in with the same foundation brush, and I'm gonna blend that out on my chin, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and we're just gonna make sure that everything is nice and evenly blended. As I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge. This is the Real Techniques Diamond Sponge, and I love this because of the angle that it's on. It just makes it so much easier to get underneath your eyes, and it helps everything blend out very seamless as well. Oh, but because it's so pointy, be careful poking yourself in the eye, because I've done that numerous times. And then I'm just going to take the excess concealer on my eyelids. And then I'm going to apply just a little bit more concealer underneath my eyes, just because I feel like it's not bright enough. So I think this should do the trick. Okay, so now for setting my concealer. I have been loving this ever since I picked it up. I have not put it down since. You guys, this is the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Setting Powder, and this is bomb, okay? You guys, it's tinted yellow, so you won't get any flashback from it, which is exactly what we need. We don't need flashback at all, ever, because that is very embarrassing. Our eyelids as well, because we apply concealer over top of that, and if we don't, it will start to crease and look very ugly. And for our eyes, I'm gonna go into my Too Faced Palm Springs palette, and I am going to dip into this dark brown and this light orange shade, and we're just going to dust this over our eyes. So I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and we're going to go ahead and try to perfect this wing. Okay, now we're going to apply some mascara. And voila, okay? Lashes are on, honey. They look good. They are giving. Contour, I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance Contour Palette. now for blush, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop blush. Now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. And while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner, because that is gonna tie this whole look together. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm gonna dip into the brown shade and the pink shade. These are my go-to shades, and just watch. Yes, barely dipped into anything, barely touched my face. Just watch. Yep. And I've actually been taking it real light on the highlight just because, I don't know, I'm trying to wean myself off of using highlighter and just go with like a natural matte look. One day I will get there, I just don't know when. But yeah, that's why I haven't been using too much of highlights. Okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna go in with the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. We're gonna go ahead and outline our lips. I also want you guys to leave some video ideas down in the comment section below so that I can have an idea on what you guys want to see on some content. I can, you know, think of some things, and I just want to be able to put out content for you guys. And sometimes I don't know what to do. I have a lot of collaborations with hair companies, so sometimes my main focus is to get their video out and also try to put in some content for myself for you guys. Yeah, besides that though, I want to know what else you guys want to see. So leave a comment down below so that I can have an idea, so that we can, you know, work some things out, so that I'm putting out content for everybody. Okay, thank you. So I'm just gonna line my lips up at the top. And I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream. This is in the shade Fenty Glow. Right, and before we're done, y'all know I gotta go in and deepen up my little moles that have been covered up, because that, to me, it makes my face, it makes everything just look better. So yes, that is why I do it. You guys, I don't know, this looks so good. It's the blush and the eyes. It's definitely tying together. This looks really good. Wow. All right, my camera is dying, so we gotta hurry this up. So this is the CRIMPS about like 2 days later. Oh, child. The struggle. I don't know, I think it looks a little cute, big and messy. We have made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel. Don't forget to leave a comment down below in the comment section, and also leave your content ideas down there as well. And yes, before we go, today's motivational quote is, no matter how alone you think you are, God is always just a prayer away. Okay, and that is the truth. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet another video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.